Welcome to Off We Go Again, where we share our family's travel experiences to help you determine if this travel destination is right for your family's hard-earned money. Please hit the like and subscribe button, as it really helps our channel. Now, let's get started with our travels to East Africa. Serengeti National Park is one of the most famous and iconic safari destinations in the world. Located in northern Tanzania, Serengeti is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and covers an expansive 14,750 square kilometers. The park is famous for its vast savanna plains, rolling hills, and woodlands, and it's home to a rich variety of wildlife, making it a must-visit for anyone embarking on an African safari. The Serengeti is part of the larger Serengeti-Mara Ecosystem, which extends into Kenya's Maasai Mara. The ecosystem is one of the most important and biodiverse in the world, attracting nature enthusiasts, wildlife photographers, and adventurers alike. Home of the Great Migration. Serengeti is perhaps best known for being the epicenter of the Great Wildebeest Migration, an awe-inspiring event where over 1.5 million wildebeest, along with zebras, gazelles, and other herbivores, make their annual journey from the Serengeti Plains to the Maasai Mara in Kenya. This migration is a remarkable spectacle and a bucket list experience for any wildlife enthusiast. Abundant wildlife year-round. The Serengeti is rich in wildlife, and the animal population isn't dependent solely on the migration. Even when the migration isn't happening, the park is home to large populations of predators and prey. Whether you're interested in seeing the Big Five or just witnessing the vastness of the plains filled with wildlife, the Serengeti never disappoints. Diverse ecosystems. Serengeti's landscape is incredibly diverse, ranging from vast grasslands and open plains to riverine forests, wooded hills, and swamps. Each ecosystem attracts different types of wildlife, providing visitors with a wide variety of experiences across different regions of the park. Incredible safari activities. Serengeti is perfect for both game drives and hot air balloon safaris. Hot air balloon rides offer a unique perspective of the park's vast expanse, while game drives allow you to get up close to Africa's iconic wildlife and their natural habitat. The Serengeti is a haven for wildlife, offering some of the best safari experiences in Africa. Here are the key animals you can expect to see. The Big Five. Lions. Serengeti is home to one of Africa's most famous lion populations. The park is known for its large prides, and lion sightings are frequent, especially in the central and southern regions of the park. Leopards. While leopards are elusive, Serengeti is one of the best places to spot them, often seen lounging in trees or stalking prey in the bushes. Elephants. The Serengeti hosts large herds of African elephants, particularly in the western corridor and northern regions. They are often seen near rivers or in the woodlands. Buffaloes. African buffaloes roam in large herds throughout Serengeti's grasslands, often grazing in the open plains or near water sources. Rhinos. Although rarer than the other Big Five members, the black rhino can still be found in the Serengeti, mainly in the northeastern region. The wildebeest migration. The annual migration of wildebeest, zebras, and gazelles is the most significant wildlife event in Serengeti. From December to May, the herds graze in the Serengeti, while they start moving northward from June to October, crossing the Mara River into Kenya's Maasai Mara. The river crossings are particularly dramatic, with crocodiles waiting to ambush the animals. Predators and carnivores. Serengeti is a predator's paradise. Besides lions and leopards, you'll also find cheetahs, hyenas, and wild dogs. Cheetahs are common in the open plains, where they hunt gazelles and impalas, while hyenas and wild dogs can be found in the woodlands or near carcasses. Watching a hunt unfold is an exhilarating experience. Giraffes and antelope. The Serengeti is home to various species of giraffes, particularly the Maasai giraffe, which can often be seen browsing the trees. Antelopes like Thompson's gazelles, Grant's gazelles, impalas, topus, and eland are abundant and provide an essential food source for the predators. Hippos and crocodiles. The Mara River and other water sources in Serengeti are home to large populations of hippopotamuses and crocodiles. Hippos can often be seen wallowing in the water or grazing at night, while crocodiles wait for the herds to cross during the migration. Bird life. Serengeti is a birdwatcher's paradise, with more than 500 species of birds including vultures, eagles, flamingos, and hornbills. The wetlands around the park's rivers attract waterfowl and other migratory birds. Secretary birds and ostriches are also frequently spotted in the open plains. Weather in Serengeti National Park. Serengeti enjoys a tropical climate, but the weather can vary significantly throughout the year. Dry season, June to October. The dry season is the best time for game viewing, as animals tend to congregate around water sources, making it easier to spot them. The landscape is typically dry, and the grasses are shorter, offering better visibility. The temperatures are warm, with daytime highs around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius and cooler evenings. Rainy season, November to May. The rainy season in Serengeti is divided into short rains, November to December, and long rains, March to May. While the rains bring lush vegetation and the plains are transformed into a vibrant green, it can make some roads muddy and harder to traverse. However, this is also when the wildebeest calve, making it a great time for seeing newborn animals and predator action. Temperatures remain warm, ranging from 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Serengeti's temperatures are generally moderate, with warmer days in the dry season and cooler nights throughout the year. Morning and evening game drives can be chilly, so it's advisable to bring layers, especially in the cooler months. Why visit Serengeti National Park? The Great Migration. Serengeti is one of the best places in the world to witness the great wildebeest migration. This natural spectacle with river crossings and predator-prey interactions is a highlight for many visitors and one of the most extraordinary wildlife events on the planet. Year-round wildlife viewing. While the migration is a highlight, Serengeti offers incredible wildlife experiences all year long. The park is teeming with animals, from the Big Five to cheetahs, giraffes, and birdlife, ensuring you'll never be disappointed. Diverse landscapes. The Serengeti's vastness offers a variety of habitats, from open grasslands and woodlands to rocky outcrops and riverine areas, each home to a unique mix of wildlife. The different landscapes make for stunning safari experiences and great photographic opportunities. Hot air balloon safaris. Serengeti offers one of the most exciting ways to see the park, a hot air balloon safari at dawn. From above, you'll see the vastness of the plains, witness herds of animals, and watch the sunrise, all while floating silently above the landscape. Accessibility. Serengeti is easily accessible from Arusha, about a 5 to 6 hour drive, and has a well-developed infrastructure, including multiple airstrips and lodges. It's also part of Tanzania's famous Northern Circuit, often paired with nearby parks like Ngorongoro Crater and Lake Manyara. Serengeti National Park is a world-renowned safari destination that offers unparalleled wildlife experiences. Whether you're visiting to witness the dramatic Great Migration, observe the predators of the plains, or simply enjoy the park's breathtaking landscapes, Serengeti provides one of the most rewarding and iconic safari experiences in Africa. The park's diversity in wildlife, its vast, stunning landscapes, and the unique experiences it offers make it an essential stop on any African safari itinerary. We hope you enjoyed this video. Have you traveled to the Serengeti before? What did you like or dislike? Comment below. If you haven't already done so, please hit the like and subscribe buttons to be alerted to our next travel adventure. Until next time, carpe diem. Seize the day and go see the world.